Hi kitties, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Did you complete your yesterday homework? Is that no? Did you complete yesterday homework? Yes, I hope you have completed. Okay, let's get back to our maths class. Nice to meet you once again through this online class. I'm happy for about it. Okay, let's start. Children, we are completed for lesson 1. Okay, lesson 1 is completed. In this class, we have to recall the first lesson. Okay, in this class, we are going to recall the first lesson. First lesson la enna topic la padichirukom. The first one, two-dimensional shapes. Is there no more? The first one, two-dimensional shapes. The two-dimensional shapes short form is 2D shapes. Yes, two-dimensional shapes short form is 2D shapes. The first 2D shapes, first one, square. 2D shapes, first one, square. Open your mouth and say the spelling for square. Open your mouth and say the spelling for square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Square means saduram. Okay, square means saduram. Then see the next one, rectangle. Yes. Listen. First, you write the 2D shapes. Yes, ma. 2D shapes padichoma ma. Yes. The first one, square. Yes, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Square means saduram. Okay, square means saduram. Then see the next one, rectangle. Next one, rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Rectangle means chevaham. Okay, Vama, rectangle means chevaham. Don't write anything. This is for rough work. Okay, just for recall. Recall பண்றதுக்காக தான் ma'am write பண்ணேன். You don't write anything. Okay, listen. Then the next 2D shape is circle. Next 2D shape is circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Circle means bottom. Okay, Vama. Next 2D shape is circle. Circle means bottom. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Circle means bottom. Then see the next one. What is the shape? This is triangle shape. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Triangle means mukkonam. Okay, Vama, triangle means mukkonam. Then we have studied rhombus. Rhombus. What is the shape? This is rhombus shape. Okay, all of you open your mouth and say the spelling for rhombus. R-H-O-M-B-U-S, rhombus. Okay, Vama, open your mouth and say the spelling for rhombus. R-H-O-M-B-U-S, rhombus. Then rhombus means sai saduram. Okay, Vama, rhombus na enna? Sai saduram. Okay, then see the next one. What is this shape? What is this shape? Parallelogram. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L-O-G-R-A-M, parallelogram. Parallelogram means inaigaram. Okay, Vama, parallelogram. What is the Tamil meaning for parallelogram? Inaigaram. Okay, then see the next one. Then see the next one. What is the shape? Trapezium. Okay. Trapezium. 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 Trapezium means sarivaham. Okay, Vama. Trapezium means sarivaham. Then see the next one. What is the shape? Quadrilateral. Okay. QUADRILATERAL. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means Narkaram. Okay, Vama. What is this? The shape is Narkaram. Okay. Do you understand? This is two-dimensional shapes, 2D shapes. Okay. Then next we have studied 3D shapes. Yes? Is that no? Yes. Next, the 3D shape. What is the shape? What is the shape, ma? This is cube shape. Okay, what is the shape? Cube shape. CUBE. Cube. Okay, what is the shape? This is cube shape. Cube means Ganasaduram. Okay, va? Cube means Ganasaduram. Then see the next one. Cuboid. Cuboid. What is the shape? This is cuboid shape. CUBOID. Cuboid. Cuboid shape. Cuboid means Ganachevaham. Okay, Vama. Cuboid means Ganachevaham. Then see the next one. What is the shape? So the next one, what is the shape? This is cone shape. Okay. CONE. 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 Cone means Kumbu Vadivam. Okay. What is the shape? What is the shape? This is cone shape. Okay, Vama. Kumbu Vadivam. Then see the next one. Cylinder shape. CYLINDER. 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 Cylinder means Urulai Vadivam. Okay, Vama. Cylinder na enna Vadivam? Urulai Vadivam. Cylinder means Urulai Vadivam. Let's see next one. Sphere. 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 Sphere means Kola Vadivam. Sphere means Kola Vadivam. Okay. Then we have studied two formulas. Yes. Diameter and radius formula. Do you know that? Yes. Shall I write? DIAMETER. Diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. 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 Diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. And the radius formula? RADIUS. Radius is equal to DIAMETER. Diameter divided by 2. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Diameter படிச்சோம், radius படிச்சோம், வேற என்ன படிச்சோம்? Perimeter. Perimeter means சுற்றளவு. Okay, perimeter means சுற்றளவு. Yes, find the perimeters. That one we have studied or not? Yes, we have studied. என்னெல்லாமா படிச்சிருக்கோம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெசனில் 2D ஷேப்ஸ் படிச்சிருக்கோம், 3D ஷேப்ஸ் படிச்சிருக்கோம், டயமீட்டர் பற்றி படிச்சிருக்கோம், ரேடியஸ் பற்றி படிச்சிருக்கோம், பெரிமீட்டர் பற்றி படிச்சிருக்கோம். Then drawing a circle using a compass, that heading also we have studied. Is that no? Yes. Okay வாமா, இதுதான் first lessonல உள்ள concept. Okay, shall we recall it? Okay, very good. Now all of you take your maths book. Take book page number 2. Okay, all of you take your maths book. All of you take your maths book. Take book page number 2. All of you take your maths book. Take book page number 2. Okay, Mama? See here. Name the following shapes. Name the following shapes AND and TRY, try, TO2, DIAW, draw, THEM, them in your notebook. Okay, name the following shapes and try to draw them in your notebook. Okay, now we have to write this one. What is the shape? What is the shape? The first one. What is the shape, ma? This is square shape. Yes or no? What is the shape? This is square shape. You write here square. Yes. Q-U-A-R-E, square. Yes. Q-U-A-R-E, square. What is the shape? This is square shape. Then what is the shape? What is the shape? This is rectangle shape. You write here rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Okay, Mama? What is the shape? This is rectangle shape. Then see the next one. What is the shape? What is the shape? This is triangle shape. Okay, Mama? T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. What is the shape? What is the shape? This is triangle shape. That is which shape? That is triangle shape. Then see the next one. See the next one. What is the shape? The first one shape is circle. Yes or no? The first one shape is circle. Write the spelling for circle. All of you open your mouth and say the spelling for circle and write it. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Write neatly. Open your mouth and say louder. சொல்லி எழுது, அப்பதானே உனக்கு தெரியும். C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. then what is this shape? This is semicircle. அரை வட்டம். இது என்னதுமா? இது வட்டம் அப்படிதானே? சர்க்கிளுக்கு தமிழில் என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? வட்டம். Yes. Now this is பாதி. வட்டத்தில் பாதி இருக்கா? So this is called semicircle. So this is called semicircle. S-E-M-I semi. C-I-R-C-L-E circle. Semicircle. All of you have written? Okay, take the next page. Take book page number 3. Take the next page, book page number 3. Okay, see the heading. W-R-I-T-E, right? T-H-E-D, N-A-M-E-S, names. O-F, S-H-A-P-E, shape. I-N, in. T-H-E-D, F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G, following. P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures. Write the names of shapes in the following pictures. Okay வாமா? இந்த பிக்சரில் என்னென்ன ஷேப் இருக்குன்னு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சி என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்? ரைட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் see circle shape is here. Okay, what is this shape? இது என்ன வடிவமா? Circle shape is, so you write here circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. என்ன shape இருக்கு? Circle shape. Then mouth, they are given one square shape. Is there? No. What is this shape? What is this shape? Square shape. You write here square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Next முக்கோண வடிவம், செவ்வக வடிவம். Anyone is here? Rectangle or triangle? Yes, rectangle. Leg, look like see a leg. This is which shape? The legs look like a rectangle shape. Yes, so you write here rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Then here triangle shape. Yes or no? இது என்ன shape? Triangle shape. So you write here T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Circle, square, rectangle and triangle. Then see the second picture. What is the shape? The face shape is square shape. You write here square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. The face shape is square shape. Then the eyes, kanna paru. The eye shape is a circle shape. Enna shape? That is circle shape. Write the spelling for circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Okay va? The next shape, see the nose shape. மூக்கு என்ன வடிவத்தில் இருக்கு? Triangle shape. You write here triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Next, see the mouth. Mouth is in which shape? Mouth is look like a rectangle shape. Is or no? Yes. So you write here rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Okay, Vamma? Do you understand? Okay. Take book page number 3 and write the answer. See and write. இதை பார்த்து ரைட் பண்ணு. Write neatly. See and write. Write neatly. Okay. All of you have written? All of you have written, children? Okay, see the next one. See the next one. Write the number of squares and triangles in the given picture. See here. W-R-I-T-E, write. T-H-E-D N-U-M-B-E-R, number. O-F-F S-Q-U-E-R-E-S, squares. A-N-D and T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E-S, triangles. I-N in T-H-E-D G-I-V-E-N, given. P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. Write the number of squares and triangles in the given picture. இந்த கொடுத்துருக்கிற பிக்சர்ஸில் எத்தனை ஸ்குவார்ஸ் இருக்குது, எத்தனை ட்ரையாங்கிள்ஸ் இருக்குதுன்னு என்ன செய்ய போகிறோம்? கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். கண்டுபிடிப்போமா? ஓகே, கவுண்ட் வித் மீ. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்கொயர்ஸ். ஓகே, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Square means saduram. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many squares? How many squares? 5 squares. எத்தனை squares இருக்கு? 5 squares. Then count the triangles outside. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes. Then inside this yellow color. Okay. 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many triangles? How many triangles? 12 triangles. How many triangles? 12 triangles. Okay, Vama? Then see the next one. Then see the next one. W-R-I-T-E, right? T-H-E-D N-U-M-B-E-R, number. O-F-F R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E-S, rectangles. A-N-D and T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E-S, triangles. I-N in T-H-E-D G-I-V-E-N, given. P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. Write the number of rectangles and triangles in the given picture. The picture la எத்தனை rectangle இருக்கு, எத்தனை triangle இருக்குன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். Okay, shall we find? Okay, see here. First rectangle. Okay, how many rectangle? 1 and 2, 3. How many rectangles? 3 rectangles here. How many triangle? The only one orange color, only one triangle is here. So 1. Okay, Vama? Okay, write this to B. First one and second one, write the answer. B first and second one, you should write the answer now. I have written B. First one squares 5 squares, 12 triangle. Second one 3 rectangles and 1 triangle. 3 rectangles and 1 triangle. Shall we see the next one? Okay, very good. Then see the next one. Identify the shapes and write the names in the boxes given below. Identify the shapes and write the names in the boxes given below. Identify the shape. In the shape பார்த்துட்டு இதில் என்ன ஷேப் இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறத நேமை நம்ம என்ன செய்ய போகிறோம் இந்த பாக்ஸில் ரைட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகே, ஐடென்டிஃபை த ஷேப்ஸ் and write the names in the boxes given below. Okay, identify the shapes and write the name here. Okay, see the first one. Outside this pink color is a triangle shape. Yes, this pink color is a triangle shape. Okay, first one triangle. The pink color is a triangle shape. You write the answer here. Triangle, triangle. Okay, the first one answer is triangle. Open your mouth and say the spelling for triangle. Triangle, triangle. Okay, open your mouth and say the spelling for triangle. Triangle, triangle. And see the yellow shape. Yellow shape. What is this shape? This is pentagon. Okay, you don't know this one. Pentagon. You just study the name. Okay, that's enough. Pentagon. This yellow color shape is here. Yes, this is pentagon shape. Okay, Mama. Then see here. What is the shape? What is the shape? Already நம்ம இந்த shape படிச்சிருக்கோம். What is the shape? This is triangle shape. Triangle, triangle. What is this shape? This is triangle shape. Okay, Mama. Okay, write this one. Open your book and write this one. Triangle, pentagon and triangle. Draw the triangle. Then all of you have written? All of you have written, children? Okay, see the next one. Next, all of you take book page number 6. All of you take book page number 6. All of you have it taken? No, all of you take book page number 6. Exercise 1.2 is there. Yes, did you find? Kandupuchitiya? Exercise 1.2, book page number 6. All of you take book page number 6, exercise 1.2. Okay, fill in the blanks. See the first one. A-double-L all, C-L-O-S-E-D closed, F-O-U-R-4, S-I-D-E-D sided, F-I-G-U-R-E-S figures, A-R-E-R, C-A-double-L-E-D called. All closed four side figures are called. What will come? Already we have studied. S square. You write here square. SQUARE square. நாலு பக்கமும் மூடப்பட்ட உருவம் என்னதுமா square. Okay. Square. All closed four sides. Sided figures are called square. R. Quadrilateral. Okay, you write here quadrilateral. 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 All closed four-sided figures are called quadrilateral. Okay, square அதுக்கு பொருந்துமா இல்லையா அப்படின்னு பார்க்கும்போது it is just equal, but quadrilateral is the closed four-sided figure. Okay, Vama? Then see the second one. It also has four equal sides and equal diagonals. Which one has four equal sides? Already we have studied. Which one has four equal sides? A square. Okay, you write here square. SQUARE square. A square has four equal sides and equal diagonals. A square has four equal sides and equal diagonals. Okay, the opposite sides of your doors are equal. See the third one. The opposite sides of your doors are equal. In the shape ka opposite sides equal இருக்கும் rectangle. Okay, you write the spelling here rectangle. RECTANGLE rectangle. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Okay, Vama? Then it does has no sides. எதுக்கு எந்த ஷேப்புக்கு பக்கங்கள் இருக்காது? A circle has CIRCLE circle. A circle has no sides. எதுக்குமா பக்கங்கள் இருக்காது? சர்க்கிள்க்கு பக்கங்கள் இருக்காது. Okay. Then diagonals are equal in open your mouth and say diagonals are equal in square and you write here square. SQUARE square. Square and rectangle. RECTANGLE rectangle. Okay, Vamma? All closed four-sided figures are called quadrilateral. A square has four equal sides and equal diagonals. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. A circle has no sides. Diagonals are equal in square and rectangle. Okay, do you understand? Diagonals are equal in square and rectangle. All of you have it written? Right? See and write. See and write neatly. Okay. All of you have written? Okay. Take your max note. All of you open your max note. Take new page and write today's homework. HW homework. All of you take new page and write today's homework. DRAW, draw 2D AND and 3D SHAPES shapes. Draw 2D and 3D shapes. Here you should write today's day and date. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Purida? You write here homework and you should mention today's day and date. Then write draw 2D and 3D shapes. Right, draw a shape. Use your scale to draw a shape, okay? Use your scale to draw a shape. Draw it neatly and write its name also. Okay, Mama? Very good. Next one, we will see the next class. Okay? Take care, children. Thank you. Bye. Draw it yourself. Use your scale to draw your shapes. Next one, we will see the next class. Okay, Mama? Take care. Thank you.